Hi, I have a solution here in repairing the BMW E9 or 2800 blower control speed resistor. This is the original, and this is a repaired blower control resistor. So I'm going to take some tests and compare the two of them. Okay. I will start by comparing the speed on this one. So now this is start with the low speed, variable speed all the way to full speed. This is a full speed. Normally at the lowest speed, the resistor will have the highest resistor number and it will create a high heat. So I will check the temperature on this one. After running it in a slow speed, and I measure the temperature across the wire, so at the highest temperature it reads approximately about 304. That's the highest temperature on the resistance wire, so it's pretty hot down there at the high. Now I'm testing the repaired or the speed controller with the replacement wire. The fan speed is about the same. Now I'm going also to measure the temperature after about the same running time. After running it for about the same time, I measure the temperature on this resistance wire. So the temperature is about the same. So it's about 314 degrees at the highest. And the fan speed also about the same at the highest number. I would conclude that this replacement resistant wires is comparable to the one from the factory, and at least we can make this lower speed control to work again.